The electronic rust protection, you have to install the positive wire and negative wire. It's going to be here. The device is working. Red light for power and blue light for working. After that, this device have 3 wires. 1, 2 and 3 wires. 2 wires for battery and 1 wire for pad. This is conductive pad. It will be installed on the automobile vehicle body, and it's have a sticker. You have to take it out this sticker and install on the vehicle body. And also same, this back side of this device have double bonded tape. You have to remove out the sticker and install on the automobile vehicle. So this is a very simple and very powerful and very smart device for all types of electronic rust protection. It's a very simple and very, you can see here, is a very small, very thick device, very thin device, and very small and compact all over the world. The devices are manufacturing, they are all big part, but it's a very small, and it's have conductive pad. So this device is very easy and simple installation. Just you have to remove the backside sticker and install the device.